Hi, it's Corey again with Redefined Fitness, and when we're talking about working out, we're working out with a purpose. Today we're going to use one of the instruments that we all have in any gym that you've been to. It's the common weight bench, and I'm going to show you how to use that with only your body weight in a couple of sequences. First thing to remember is that there'll be 10 reps on each side of your body. We're going to do 3 rounds of this, the maximum of 20 reps if you're using your upper body. All right, so without further ado, here we go. You may have seen our Facebook video with a crazy guy doing 8 astounding exercises. Well, today, these are going to be exercises everybody can do. So as I said before, we're going to use the weight bench. First thing to do is we're going to do some lunges out front. So you're going to take your right foot, put it on the ground, left foot's on the bench. I'm going to hop forward and drop my hips in and then back out. As I said before, there will be 10 on each leg. To save time, I'm going to do about 3 of them. I'm going to switch up and go back. So you want to turn here, put your hands on the bench. You're going to tuck your knees and lift yourself up and over the bench, side to side. Remember, we're thinking about tucking knees because this is an ab exercise. So the number for this is 20 reps. When you finish that, you'll come back and go back to a single leg again. Left foot comes up to the bench. The first movement I'm going to do, I'm going to drop down, touch my right foot on the ground, back up, and then I'm going to reach and lunge and then back up. That's 1. You're going to do 10 of those on each leg. 2. We'll do 1 more so you can see it. Whoop, and then 1 more. Whoop, and down. All right. Next thing I'm going to do is grab the bench and reach and grab the back of the bench with my hands. I want to put my hips at the edge of the bench because I want to get my body out over the ground. I'm going to extend legs and hold onto the back, lift knees, and then roll in. 1. Extend my body, lay out, lift, and roll in. 2. Extend the body, roll in, and then lay out. 3. All right, next thing you got to do is pop down, put your hands on the bench. So I'm thinking to myself, how can I get my arms involved in this, my upper body? Okay, I've got a couple of different options here. You can drop down for the normal push, shoulders over your hand, push away, exhale. Or we can drive in with a knee as we come in, make it a little bit more challenging and involve your core a little bit more. All right, the other side of that is we want to get those arms. Okay, weather's getting warm, we want to make sure that we can go sleeveless anywhere with confidence. Put your hands outside your hips, point your elbows back, maintain good posture. Feet are flat on the ground, you're going to drop down, keep your chest up, point the elbows back, and squeeze. Keep your chest up, good posture, squeeze and finish. We're looking for 20 reps once again. All right, the bench is something we can use for multiple exercises. I'm going to do what's called a roll-up. So you're going to grab the top of the bench here, roll up and bring your hips off the bench. So there's a couple of things you can do. You can extend your legs and reach. You can roll in here. You can extend your legs and reach. And you can add, a twist. That's good. I'm going to twist right, and I'm going to come and twist left. So we add a couple planes to that movement. I'm going to roll back out of there. There are so many good things to do on the bench. Body weight, the bench, simple movements, things that are good for your body and that are effective. We work out with a purpose. It's Redefined Fitness. Health is wealth. Invest in it every day.